Hello, my name is Sai and I'm one of the lead engineers at MGRM. I'm here today to tell you more about the problem statement that we send to all prospective potential Node.js candidates. A quick review of the problem statement before I demo you a working solution. You are supposed to build a super simple text editor which syncs all the contents in the editor to a server after a brief user pause. And this server should be written in Node.js. You're absolutely free to use a Node.js framework like Express, and the content should be stored in a NoSQL database, and you're free to choose any NoSQL database, but MongoDB is preferred. And a couple of problem notes. The backend should be in Node.js. You're free to use any Node.js framework like Express. For storing the content, any NoSQL database can be used, preferably MongoDB. On the front end, you're free to use any JavaScript framework or no JavaScript framework at all, but we would prefer it if you build it in React. And the third statement, the third problem note, which is quite a crucial one, is that each time you sync the contents in the editor, we would want you to build a solution which does not sync the entire content, but only the diff that has been changed. For example, if I write hi, and hi is synced with the server, and if I write how are you followed by hi, only the diff, that is the how are you part, should be synced by should be sent by the client to the server, and where it would calculate, it would patch this diff with the content that's already existing in the server, which is hi, and then that way both the server and the client stay in sync. So once you're done with this process, we would like you to upload your code to a site like GitHub and reply with the corresponding repository URL. So to demonstrate you a working solution, so let me start my Mongo server, and let me start my Node.js server. Sorry. Okay, so the server is running on port 5000, and I will reload this, and you can already see that there's a comment. So this is what we expect. You don't need to build a publish functionality. It's just that you're of course free to build it, but we do not require it as a part of the solution to the given problem statement. So here, if I write hi, and after a brief user pause, the /API/sync route is hit, and the content inside the text area is synced with the server. And if I add a space, and after a brief user pause, the /API/sync route is hit again, and the content is synced with the server in Mongo. So if I reload this page, you can see that the hi with the additional space is still there. Now, if I am to add an extra statement, how are you? After a brief user pause, the /API/sync route is hit again, and only the additional how are you is sent to the server, and then this diff is patched with the content in the server, and the client and the server are in sync. So if I reload this, you can see that hi, how are you is what's reported by the server, like /API/fetch unpublished would return this particular comment. So this is the solution that we want you to build. As an additional note, we recommend to use a diff match batch algorithm like the one that's built by Google, because it is quite a convoluted problem to build your own algorithm. You're free to do that, but handling all the corner cases and all that would be not difficult per se, but would be quite time consuming. So we would want you to delegate this diff match working to a library like this. And the API for the library is available in this particular URL. It's given here. So that's the problem statement in brief. And I wish you all the luck for building building a solution to this particular problem statement. And I look forward to evaluating your solutions and get back to you. Thank you.